Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. We are from BA3C. Okay, now it's our turn to answer the question that given by Sir Fuad. Okay, firstly you can refer the question from week 4. Okay, firstly we will introduce about our name. Okay, my name is Murni binti Misarat.
My name is Munirah binti Nik Murzaini.
And I'm Nismawati binti Nordin.
Okay, I will explain about the question number 1.
I will explain question number 2.
And I will explain the question on 3.
Okay, firstly, for the question 1, they have two main clues for the question. Okay, for the first is about the 3 components of expectancy theory, and the second is why some employees are motivated to show up their effort during snowstorm. Okay, for the expectancy theory, okay, firstly we will know about what is the meaning of expectancy. Okay, expectancy is about expected. Okay, expected, we will know about what we assume to be, what we predict to be, and what supposed to be if we contribute our effort in doing some task. Okay, from the explanation, we can know that the 3 components of expectancy theory is first about E to P expectancy, or effort to performance expectancy, and the second is about P to O expectancy, or about performance to outcome expectancy, and the third is outcome or variance. Okay, for the second question is why some employers are motivated to show up their effort during snowstorm, because they have a higher level of effort, which will result to the higher performance level, and then the higher performance level will result to their desired outcome. Okay, but about the outcome or variance is depend for the person. Is it they are satisfied or not satisfied with the outcome or reward given by their manager or boss? Okay.
Okay, for the second question, I will explain general about equity theory. As we know, employment relationship is a very important in an organization where an employer give the salaries to his employees who make the good performance and perform their work in the workplace. So for the equity theory, is give and take situations where an employee have an input and the employer give the outcome that will receive by an employer. So from the outcome given, all the employees will motivate themselves to fulfill their work, to improve their knowledge, and always make the best for their disciplines, especially on finishing the task. And for the input and outcomes, the input is all about the level of education for employee, about their knowledge, experience, disciplines, and also how they perform in the organization. And the outcome is about what they receive from the employer. For example, is increasing their salaries, about the promotions, bonus, or reward that they will gain from his or her employer. And then I will explain the second questions on element of equity theory, inequality of theory, on the next video. That's all.
Okay, as for me, I will explain on the question 3. The question 3 is regards to the explanation why Alaskan Tire will give team-based reward rather than individual reward. For this video, I will just tell the main point of the answer, which is first, to develop strong membership among employees. The second one is to generate more alternative idea in decision making. And the last one, to develop perspective that team oriented is like to think that people will be treated equally.
Okay, for the further explanation, you can ask us in Island, and we will answer it as soon as possible.
That's all from us.
Thank you.